Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Coffee, and this is free audit of the website hiqclose.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love the logo. The header area is minimal, so it doesn't take a lot of space. The above the fold is nicely optimized. I can see your products above the fold, which is great for the conversion rate. So this is excellent. You've got search bar at the top. And so you've got featured collections here, call to action, tagline, links to your collection. So this is perfect. Okay, trending products. I would optimize those titles to be more SEO friendly, so you can tell maybe men's printed shorts, men's swimming shorts. So it tells Google a little bit more what you're offering. Okay. Okay, so this is featured products. Very nice. There's plenty of engaging content, which is excellent. Okay, the footer is nicely optimized as well. You open the social media links in new tabs, which is excellent. Your Instagram feed is empty, so remember you can remove it from the menu because otherwise it can give an impression perhaps maybe the business is no longer active, the website is no longer maintained, which can put people off from buying. So that can affect your sales, that can affect your conversion rate. So either consider posting regularly, or if you're not using this social media site, remember to remove it from your footer menu. Contact us page looks great. Okay, let's have a look at the collections. Okay, the collection page looks great. I can see the items above the fold, which is excellent. Product titles are SEO friendly and descriptive, which is perfect. The product page is also nicely optimized. You've got add to cart above the fold. You've got shipping, calculated at the checkout. It's a little bit confusing because you've got free shipping information here. So if you're offering free shipping, remember to remove this because I know it's the default part of the product page. However, it can definitely affect your sales because it's quite confusing for your visitors. They don't know if they won't have to pay for the shipping by the end of the day. Nobody likes bad surprise, especially at the checkout. So if you're offering free shipping, make sure to remove this little bit from the product page. However, the product descriptions are unique, which is excellent. Your SEO score is 54 out of 100, which is quite a good score. Your meta title, meta description, your meta title kind of repeats your name, your brand name twice. So Shopify shows your brand name by default, so you can add a little bit more details such as shop printed men's swimming trunks, something like that. So it gives more details to your visitors when they see your listing in the search results. However, the meta description is just a string of t-shirts, string of keywords. So remember to optimize it further. Because it is often the first thing people see when they see your website in the search results. So you need to stand out with something more unique content. So remember to optimize Google snippet for homepage and all other pages. You can add more written content. It's always better for SEO, so you can do it through regular blogging. Blog posts are really fantastic for adding SEO friendly content. And remember to optimize images with SEO-friendly alt tags. Also optimize your URLs. They are not SEO-friendly yet, so remember to make them shorter, more specific, and more Google-friendly. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.